knows how to use the HinksPix Pro Smartboard Setup tool for Pixels. This tool uses Microsoft Access Database, which can only run on Office 365 on a Windows machine. Once opening the tool, you'll simply create a new setup. Upon opening it, it will immediately open to a brand new form. However, this also saves your previous entries. Using these navigation arrows, you can go back and forth between your older setups or previously used setups. For this example, we have set up in Xlights a very simple layout in front of our house. We've put a mega tree with a star, we have 4 arches on either side, and 4 candy canes and a couple spinners on the lawn as seen here. One of the biggest points to stress with the HinksPix Pro, it will make your life immensely easier if you put things that are attached directly to the HinksPix Pro on a 16 SPI board, for instance, first in the series of channels. In this case, designating your mega tree and your star in order at the top, starting with channel 1, will make this process immensely easier. Coming into the tool, you'll put in a setup name that will be used to identify your next versions. The start channel is a resemblance of the very first channel after those attached channels on that 16 SPI board. So in this case, when you have a tree and a star, 2670 is your end channel. Your very first channel going out to that smart system is 2671. Moving down, as we look how this is laid out, it signifies one Cat5 cable off your long-range expansion board. What do I mean by that? Well, the smart system off one Cat5 can handle 16 4-port boards, as you can see in rows of 4 here. Or it can handle 4 16 SPI boards, as seen by the longer rows here. Or any kind of combination. So in this case, I have set this up to visualize the left side of the yard is using 2 4-port smart boards. And the right side of the yard will be using a 16-port board. To help simplify it a little bit more, if you're using this 4-port board, that will signify your SPI numbers under the 4-port column. And if you're using the 16 SPI board, these will be the labeled ports on the 16 SPI board. I've gone ahead and entered in the left side of the yard in this left column and the right side of the yard in this right column. Upon completion, all you have to do is click Save, click your Xlights layout, and at this point, you will copy this in the exact order for your channels into Xlights. What do I mean by that? When you come over and click the Start channel, just like we said, the tree and the star that are hard mounted to the HinksPix Pro will be your top 2. We will then arrange every single prop that we just mentioned on this one Cat5 cable in the order that this database tells us to. Don't forget to scroll down, as every one of them will need to be in order. As a fail-safe to this, when you click Save, it will check to make sure you have limited yourself to 680 pixels per data stream, or 2,720 total pixels for one Cat5. Once you have made it correct, it will allow you to save. Thank you for watching part 1 of this 2-part series on how to set up Xlights with Joe Hinkle's HinksPix Pro Smartboard system.